Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how to connect a DualShock 4 a ps4 controller to a Nintendo Switch wirelessly. So let's get started. Hey guys, Fahim here from FahimTech, LP Master in Knowledge and Technology. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how to connect a ps4 controller to a Nintendo Switch wirelessly. So you didn't need any cable. Only thing you need for this tutorial is this adapter. So this is the May Flash wireless adapter. It's when you buy this, I'll put the link in the description. So there's two of them. This is by the May Flash, and there's also another one by 8-bit door. But this one you can connect to wide controller. So if you have old controller, you can connect that. Okay, so in my next video I'll show you guys how to connect a PS3 controller. So that's why if you see that, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss on that video. So as you can see, this is what the box look like, and this is gonna also work on the PC. Okay, so and also this thing come with the adapter, this adapter type C to USB. Guys, I actually bought this. I bought another one from Amazon. There's like $5, but this one, if you buy this one, is gonna come with to one of this adapter. So this is the step. So you need to plug this in and plug this into your Nintendo Switch. As you can see that, guys, if you have the Nintendo Switch Lite, you can just do this. But if you have the regular Switch, you can also do this. But if you need to connect to your dock, you don't need the adapter. You can just plug this in, and then it's gonna work. So as you can see right here, you need to plug it in, and as you can see, this light color, first time it will be like every different color. As you can see, this black button, just hold that down until this color become purple. So for me it's already purple. As you can see, there's more color for different mode, so that's why you need to hold that down until this become purple. Okay, boom. As you can see, if it's purple, so that one is good. So that's why you need to hold it down until it change. So on a controller, a PS4, hold the share and the PlayStation button for a few seconds until it's gonna start flashing. So when it starts flashing, it's in pairing mode. So if you do that, and if your thing is next to it, it's gonna be automatically gonna be connected. As you can see right there, as you can see on my Nintendo Switch, as you can see, I'm using a PS4 controller. I can use the thumbstick. There's only one thing is on a PS4 controller, X is the A, right? But things on a Nintendo Switch is the opposite. As you can see, the X is the B and the circle is the A. So if you need to do this, you need to, if you need to select something, you need to press circle and not X. X is the B. So as you can see right here, Joy-Con, as you can see, it's opposite. It's exactly the same thing over here. So if you go on an app, if you go on a game, you need to press circle to select it, and then it's gonna open. If you select X, the title not work. So that's, so as you can see right there, so now it's gonna start working. So guys, I'm gonna just give you guys a demo of this game. So I'm gonna come back when this finish, when the game finished loading.
Dylan, I didn't know you could.
Bitch, she steady dripping Sailor on. She got the perfect face. Thumbing through the deck of 52, and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions. She mysterious like the ace of spades. Rebel kind of curious, but nervous when it comes to fate. Aimed at my heart, you try to break it, but it
as you can see, also the controller vibrate. So also this thing don't have the one feature is NFC, but it has the motion. So if you do that, it does have the motion thing as well. And as you can see right here, as you can see, there's no problem at all. What am I?
Boy better up his game. I took his bitch to another lane. Hop in a space coupe. What the fuck is a space coupe? I came from the bottom. Christian new bottom just came out, so I'm finna cop him. Nobody get in my way, can't stop it. If I want it, I'ma have it. It's just a habit. I broke her heart, it was tragic. Run up on me with a Glock, I get static. Bitches they foreign on me, just imagine. Focus on the money, never switched up. Don't act up, no. Activist got me feeling kinda funny. Whoa, homeboy just slap on a beat to get body. Roll with a strap and it come automatic. I'm off a beat, watch I whip out a beamer. Shawty, she about getting ready for dinner. Bad little bitch, she steady dripping Sailor on. She got the perfect face. Thumbing through the deck of 52, and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions. She mysterious like the ace of spades. Rebel kinda curious, but nervous when it comes to fate. Aimed at my heart, you try to break it, but it ricocheted. She was trying to play her, girl, is you insane? Run up on these bands, you the past, you a lame. Barry PayPal. Mercilessly, I got brand new fucker resale, body in cash. 200 plus on the dash. Bad little thought, call me savage. 200 plus on the dash.
Okay, so that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're new and see you guys on the next one. Till then, peace out.
Bitch so average.